Okay, this is my unknown ceiling fan that was my brother's, and it runs okay and wobbles a lot on the testing mount, but here it is on high. Of course there's the light, and I'll shut the light off in a few moments. Can't see. Get under there and click the light. Okay, there you go. Ow. Well, there it is. And yeah, it runs really nice. You can see the little keychain that is wobbling. And by the way, this is down in my basement, but yeah. And this is for you, Max channel. You can see there's a schoolhouse light globe on it, and the blades used to not be reversible, but I took the old blades off and put the new blades on because in my opinion, this looked a ton better. And yeah, the blades aren't straight at all. I'll show you the side view. Like, you can definitely tell that they're not straight. That's why it wobbles. But the blades are really bent. Oh no, not the blades, but the brackets are very, very bent. And here it is on medium. So it slows down pretty slow, but in my opinion, as soon as you switch for the fan, it starts wobbling really badly.
Can you show the underview?
I will, but that's my brother. Anyway, here's low, and then I'll show you the views and then some of the crap this fan gives me. And that's low. And the airflow goes to about right here, like maybe right there where my hand is, right down there, that high, and then the air stops. So it blows barely any on, but it's a nice calm low. And which the most used speed on this thing is a medium. Hold on a sec. And I'll turn it off like usual with my switch, because I do have a switch attached to it, which is one of my favorite things. My grandpa and me built this. It's a very nifty fan. It works. That's what it's supposed to do, okay? So I'll show you the top view of this fan. Blades are cherry on the top, and they go from cherry to I think brown oak or something like that. If you can tell me, that'd be nice. And I have a schoolhouse light globe, and I think this is like a oil rubbed brass, and pretzel brackets, and top view. The vents up here, they're pretty, look like the olden style, and of course it's very dusty up here. But yeah, I got the wire going up to my switch. The cord I made here, my grandpa did, and this one doesn't have a ground, so I put the ground on, ran the wire whole way up to that light, and it goes way around the basement. But yeah, here it is, and I'm turning it on right when I'm standing under it. This is scary, but...
Which is, of course, a good idea.
Yeah, but this is part of J.O.'s Fan Co. on Trap Rio. So, if you tell me what kind of fan this is, I'd be super glad. And one of the things about it, it's bent up, wobbly, and it buzzes. Or, like, doesn't buzz, but the globe buzzes and I can't seem to get it to stop. Yep, and here's the light. Thank you for watching.